Hi students, I decided to make a short video about conferences. We are going to use conferences for the oral exams. I know that in the instructions it says that we're going to use Carmen Connect, but that is optional. The instructor chooses the medium for the oral exams, and I always use conferences. Conferences are easier to use, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Okay. Uh, First thing you have to do is go to your home page of your class, and you go to the menu to the left, and you look for conferences. Oh, here it is, conferences. Okay. So I created a false conference with one X, and actually I'm going to create one for each one of you. It would say your name, it would say oral exam, the day, the date, and the hour. Okay. The steps to get into the conferences room are the same for the instructor as for the student. There are some differences that I'm going to show you, but they're minor. Okay. Let's get into the conference room. The first thing that conferences do is it checks your computer for the Flash Player, which is a program. And if your computer have Adobe Flash Player, you have no problems. If you don't, I suggest that you download it. It's free. Then it will ask you, how do you want to join the audio? And you're gonna click on microphone. Okay. Then you can see an echo. This is an audio test. You're gonna do it, and you're gonna click yes.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Now, since I'm the instructor, when I get into the classroom, there's only me. I prepare the classroom for you, okay? And what I do is, number one, and you're gonna have to do this too. I go to the top of the screen, and you can see different icons, and you're gonna look for this one, the one that says share your webcam, which is a little like video camera, and you click on it. Okay, and then you click on allow. Okay, and here I am, but I'm still not sharing my webcam with you. I have to click start sharing, and now anybody who comes into the classroom can see me. Now I usually change the layout of the classroom. What I do is I usually use webcam meeting. Okay, and you can see me, and you will see a chat window. If we have problems with audio or any kind of technical problem, or you don't understand me, or I don't understand you, we can chat too. When you get into the conferences, you will see 3 topics that I chose for you. Okay, I haven't them with me right now, so I'm gonna write 3 topics that I sort of invented right now. Okay, what technology do you use on a daily basis? Okay, another question would be which was your favorite vacation? I'm not sure I'm grammatically correct, but there it goes. And finally, we think, how do you prepare for job interview. Okay. So when you come into the conferences room, you will see the 3 topics, okay, already written in the chat window, and you're going to choose 2 out of 3, the 2 you feel more comfortable with, and you will have 1 to 2 minutes to talk about it. No memorization. We want we want to listen to you speak spontaneously about a topic. That's it. Okay, so this whole test lasts around between 5 to 7 minutes. If we have any kind of technical problem, what I usually do is I will tell you, okay, reboot your computer. And if that doesn't work, I will tell you, okay, get out of the classroom and get in again. And if that doesn't work, what I usually do is I reschedule, because that takes time, and we will be losing time. And so we will reschedule, no problem about it. I usually have no problems with conferences. That is why I like it, and because it's so easy to use. I always use conferences. Okay, when we are finished, okay, you log out, and this is where you log out. There's a little arrow you click, okay, and you click yes, and that's it. Okay, now when you are a student and you go to conferences, you will see your name again and everything, but you will see in progress. That means that I am already inside the classroom. And instead of clicking on start like I did, you're going to click on join, on a red button that says join. And you click on it, and you're going to do all the steps that we already did. The computer is going to check for a flash player, and then you're going to let's give it some time. Okay, you're going to click on microphone, and you're going to do the audio test.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
But instead of that, you will see me. You won't hear that message. And you have to share your webcam. You have to click here and share your webcam, and click on allow. Okay, and you immediately will see the light of your webcam, and you click on start sharing, and everything will be kind of different. You will see me on a window, on a bigger window, and you will see yourself too, and you will see on the chat window, you will see the topics. Okay, I hope this helps you. It's going to be easier than it sounds, but I wanted you to have an idea of how conferences work. Actually, I have opened like 3 or 4 conferences for you during the semester, before exams, for office hours, and nobody has come. And I think that maybe you are a little bit intimidated by conferences, but it's really easy to use. And so if now you know how it works, okay? And I'm gonna close here okay. And what I do when the conference is over, I go back. You don't have to do any of this. This is my job. I simply close the conference, and that's it. Your name will appear under concluded conferences. Okay, I hope this helps you. I hope this makes you more comfortable using conferences, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message or an email.